Ladies and Gentiles, my name is Miles. That is a door shutting. Why are you shutting? Welcome back to Alien Isolation. Right, so we have now just entered into this nest. And we have to reactivate some cores, I believe, is what my objective is. You friends, you got anything for me? No? Then you ain't no friends of mine. No, I don't want that. I want a flamethrower because I'm assuming we're about to be introduced to a wide cacophony of friendos. Oh! Oh God! Wow! They're actually in the game. Wow, there's eggs everywhere. There is eggs everywhere. And I couldn't even notice that in front of me. Congratulations. Let's Player of the Year. Can't see. Can these melt? I'm assuming they can. They're all open. But you weren't. I feel like you're still going to spur some kind of face. Nope, you're just going to... Okay. Oh. Oh. Although those better not be what I think they are. And I am hoping that they are not... Are you anything? I am hoping they are not vents. Or the equivalent of what vents would be down here. What? Anything? No! Oh, yeah. Let's... What did you do today? Oh, walked up to an open egg or a closed egg. I was like, oh, let's put my face in it. Because little Ripley's got balls that ain't gonna fit in that jumpsuit. I'll tell you that now. See that nutsack? That giant station-like nutsack? Where it's all its powers were? That is literally a representation of the space balls that Amanda Ripley has. Can I make anything new yet? No. Let's put the flamethrower back on. Okay, what am I doing? What did that do? Okay. The screams of the damned. Now I do this. The screams of the damned are not pleasing to my ears. And I now just want to get out of there. Excuse me. Oh. Overload the beta core. So I'm guessing that was the alpha core that I just did. Okay. Oh! Oh! No! Oh, no. Wait. It's right there and I can save. Okay, that was the sound of it going up. Okay. Oh. That sound is not pleasant to my ears. I want to leave. I want to leave now. Oh. There's an egg next to a vent. That is automatically a bad idea. We're gonna just skip on by that and get a heck out of Dodge. Oh, my friend, you have... Don't run! Anything up here? No, no egg there. My friends, you appear to all have death strewn across your face. How does that make you feel? Dead inside? Well, you know what? I wouldn't blame you. Are you holding any treats, friend? Okay, you were, but now they're mine. Yeah. It's nice to have all these little item boxes strewn about the place. They're disguised as what I assume were people. No. What? Oh god, sir. And that's gonna draw this down, isn't it? Yep, I can hear it. There we go. Get back up your vent, you little bastard. We're just gonna follow the light. Get out of dodge, because I don't want to. Oh. My controller vibrated. Yeah, slime is very disconcerting. Oh, Jemima and Jemima. Yes, I know the hostiles are nearby. Screw it. If I... It went really... Okay. What's up here? That's an egg that I don't want to risk. That's going to draw the alien near me. And that is, of course, no relation. Of course, Alien is, of course, no relation to the other YouTuber of Ali. Yeah, I make terrible jokes. What have I got to do? Redirect power core, what? Oh, I've got to go back down this way. Oh, thanks, game. You're my friend. You want my gonads to be 8. Okay, my controller seems a little bit weird, but... Okay, there's nothing glowing, so I'm assuming nothing down there. And I'm not going to risk it, regardless. And I don't think... Yeah, I've got to go through here anyway. Okay. Because I want to go out of here. There are aliens. And face-huggery things. Which are also aliens. But they're known as face-huggers. Because they want to eat my balls. No, don't run! Okay, why did I suddenly decide I was going to run? No! No! Ooh. Okay, there's actually no vent in here, so I don't think the alien can get me. Wishful thinking! But they don't know. Also, I forgot to mention, since I've restarted this playthrough, I haven't hid. I didn't hide at all on the way. I was like, I'm gonna face everything. You know what? Imagine this game was actually tied into my microphone. I would be screwed. In fact, that is something game developers should look at, I think. Like, considering making, like, a YouTuber mode, where if a game is somehow linked to sound. So hang on, let me get this through. So if a game was linked to sound, like this one, I can throw a noisemaker and attract the alien. Or other horror games of that kind, like I think Outlast is similar. If you could have enable some kind of YouTuber mode, which I don't know how hard that would be to create, that would make content infinitely more interesting for these kind of games, because it'd be like you would need to provide entertainment, but you'd also not want to die from the alien. So it creates like a kind of... It puts... Okay, I'm a bit scared of doing this, because aliens. I always get scared when I've got my back to a vent. Okay. Hostiles nearby. Nice. Oh, there was a person there. Okay, this is where I might start. I'm not. which means one's gonna drop. Either there or behind me. Yeah, you know, you go that way. You go that way. No, you look. Oh, you know what? I'll take it. But that noise, can you stop? Wait, ah! No! Shit. Which means I need to get out of here right now. Wait, where am I going? Where am I going? Which way do I go? Oh, I'll go this way. I'll go this way. Okay, okay. Okay, we are nearly out. We're nearly out, boys and ladies and Gentiles and everyone else in between. We're nearly there. Go back to the elevator. Wait, am I going the right way? Yes, I am. Okay. Okay. Ooh, there's vents in here. Oh, how the alien hasn't come down yet. Hi! Hi! How you doing? There's a flame on them there. No! 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 I wanted that flame of fuel, which, if I read that correctly, did that say 1? Run! Run! Why did that beep? Why was I beeping? Why was I beeping?
Ricardo, I can destroy the nest.
Yeah, damn right we are, and I'm guessing now the alien...
I can power up all the cores, overload them, and then initiate a reactor purge. It'll destroy everything down there.
Look, I'm not trying to persuade you out of this, Rip. I'd just like it if you didn't die.
Oh, they're back!
This is what's gonna happen. There are emergency overflow circuits that feed excess power into the local capacitor banks on
there's things on here now.
If I decouple them and discharge the system, the purge will be external. The nest is right in harm's way.
I have no clue what you just said.
Nope.
Just find something to hold on to.
Yep, that is affirmative. So basically you're going to set a chain reaction between two places and the alien's nest is between it. Right, which way do I'm going to go this way. Because there is a no one. Oh, but they're still going to come out, aren't they? Ah, you're bright. Really bright. What am I doing here? Kneecapping you. Oh, and somehow you both heard that. That's that done. No! Don't waste the flamethrower fuel. I need that for flaming things. Oh, there's another one. Chest infection. Hi, how you doing? How you doing? You want a tongue piercing? Granted. What about you? Where do you want a piercing? You want a nipple piercing opposite to your friend? There you go. Job's a good one. Leave the tip at the door on your way out. Okay. Let's... No. Let's... Okay, I need to somehow get used to redoing this. Fucking hell. I need to really find an alternate word to using fucking hell. Anything on the other side I can do? I'm assuming I need to do that. Wah 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 wah. Wah 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 wah. Wah 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 wah. Nope, I guess I have to just do the middle bit now then. Alrighty then. No. There's one on the other side. What's this one? Are you anything? Yes, you are. Oh, it's one of these. Wait. I heard something. That means that there's someone around, right? That little screeching of strings. No, wrong button. Okay. Oh, not this one. This one takes forever. Forever. I'm sorry. What? That changes which one it is? Really? No. Go back to the other one. Go back to the other one. I like that one. Oh, okay. I did not know you could do this. That's an interesting little thing I didn't know. Overload the beta core. Oh, I need to go around to the other side now. Alrighty then. Job is a good one. That is something I can do. No. What was that noise? Whoa. Oh, that sounds like someone's around. Don't be around. No. Wow. I am. There we go. Now I can see. If you've not got them on at home, sucks to be you. We need to map. That's a really weird one, and that's probably the easiest one to do. Oh, you're already like mostly. Wow, that was probably the. Whoa! No! Where did you come from? You weren't there a second ago. You know what? Okay, that completely missed. Didn't want that. That is a very detriment to my plan, indeed. How's your sternum? Right there. And what about you? You want one as well? You feeling left out? You know what? Say ah. Like a glove. That's not what I wanted to press, but now I have very little of that ammo left. Can I stop reloading now? That'd be nice. There we go. Oh, more flamer fuel. That's what I need. Right now what? There's everywhere up there still locked. Oh, I need to go back now. Right, can I make can I do anything here? Okay, that takes care of that one. Like I said, it just frees up a little bit of space. We're gonna walk down here, we're gonna walk around the corner over these dead guys because they suck nuts. Actually, they suck bolts. I would say screw them, but you don't really screw. You know what? I'm just gonna shut up. Yeah. Yankee McCrank. I'm guessing I need to get out of here now. Okay, it is now raining upwards. Any more aliens want to pop out at all anywhere along here? No. That's nice. Okay, I now appear to want to stagger everywhere. You're raining downwards, you're raining upwards, you're raining side. Now you're open. Oh, this kind of has a bit of finality to it. This may be the last episode. Why was there like a white substance of around the entrance to that? I'm gonna take them off now. Why was there a white substance of questionable origin there? There we go. Always gotta have the flamethrower present. There we go. Now what? Oh! Do we get to see a light? This better not blow. It's not gonna blow up with me here, surely. Okay. Oh, you as well? Do I go down with you? There we go.
I'm about to purge the nest. Hang tight.
What would happen if I decided to go back? Now it's raining upwards. Oh yeah, love me some fireworks. Oh, ah! Get wrecked, son! And you there, I saw your tail. Ah, you're gonna die, and you there. Oh! Hello, friends. Oh, is there a way out of this box?
Hazard level maintained at Omega. Multiple unregistered life forms detected throughout Sevastopol.
Oh.
Power levels throughout Sevastopol compromised.
There's still some on the station.
Shit.
I'm sorry, Ricardo.
Just get back to the Marshal Bureau, Rip. Please.
Well, let winter kinds of oh, I can't get out here. That went wrong. I got a flamethrower. I wear suits. It's fine.
Wait, Rip, something weird's happening.
You think?
I need you to get to medical, now. The reactor purge, it's resetting systems across Sevastopol. Lights, transit, maybe even communications. I think
Ambulance!
this is our big chance, just go, now. We might not have much time. I'm heading down to comms.
Yeah, there was ambulance. Ricardo, you better meet us there. If I remember, there was like an ambulance bay. So surely that means there's a vehicle we can get out. Why did no one get off here earlier? No idea where I'm going right now. I just saw this open thing. Oh, I've been here. Right, so now there's aliens again, which means I'm not gonna crawl, because that'll take everywhere to get there. And you know what? I want to finish this game under 4 years. That would be ideal in this situation. So he runs. Okay, no, we're not gonna do that. Put this back on. We are gonna save. And where are we going? Oh, the medical SciMed. SciMed, yes, Science Medical. And more aliens wanna come and be greeted by a blast of flames up your vagina. Oh, I'll have that. Not me personally, I won't take a blast of flames up my vagina. One, I don't have one. And that's a requirement of being blasted up the vagina, is to have one in the first place. It's a really funny word. Do you know a word I really like? I like the word bequeath. Bequeath is such a funny word. Any particular reason? No. I just think it sounds funny. And as a human society, we laugh at words that sound funny. And to me, bequeath is one of them. Bequeath. I bequeath thee. I bequeath unto thee, isn't it? I can't remember. I haven't actually read any kind of Shakespeare in a while. Anyone else? There we go. Thank you. I'm just gonna... Just, you know, just gonna come onto these one day and you're just gonna get like an alien just sat there, hat on, and just be like... kind of sit next to you. And it's just gonna have like a little face hugger sat there next to it on the bus. It's gonna be like its kid. I would have the egg sat next to it. I don't know. If an alien was on a train and it was carrying like an egg, would that count as a pregnant woman?
Did you manage to get to comms?
I'm here, but I was too late.
I'm just throwing out questions, you know.
Locked out external
Which,
comms again.
if someone could get back to me, that'd be nice.
Plan B, Rip. See, before I left, the system approaching Sevastopol. I think it's the Anisadora. Marlowe managed to send out his auto codes to call it in while comms were temporarily open.
We've got to get to it. Is it docking?
No, but it's in a holding position nearby. Head for the ambulance bay. The shuttles are really short range, but they'll make it.
Got it.
Wait. I'm in the right area, aren't I? Of course I went to the right opposite end. Do you mind? What's through that door? Have I been in that room? That's the transit control. I feel like I have been in there.
Area and habitation where we can seal ourselves in and wait for rescue. I've got guys welding vents shut and shutting off elevators. Plan is to make it watertight. There's no room for more people in the sanctuary, but we can make
the sanctuary.
Beds, water, and guns. If we're gonna get everyone through this alive, there's no room for pity.
Why are you doing that? Why are you dropping noises? I don't like me getting no noises. I just wanna blow shit up. Get off the station. Which I'm guessing we get off on the Anisadora? I'm assuming so. Oh, why was that a bit of a breath? You seemed out of breath there, little rip. That's why she's called Amanda, because she's got balls. They assumed her gender. You did wrong. Oh.
I see a launch on my terminal. Marlowe's already taken one of the shuttles.
Waits really did a number on this place.
Yep, Waits did a thing of blowing the shit out of it. What about you? Nope, nothing. Back to my flamethrower. There's gonna be an alien here. There has to be. It would make sense for there to be. Is there a way for me to get around quick? Or do I really have to go the absolute long way around? So I don't want to run. In fact, that might be the guy that I kind of left here earlier. Alien is in the vents. I repeat, there is an alien in the vents. Oh. That's not good. Is he gonna move? Nope. Shit. And the annoying thing is, I know why he's placed there. He's placed there specifically for this. That android, that working Joe, was put specifically there to aggro the alien to the area. Because they know that I'm gonna go the long way around. Where is it? Okay, so it's gone in the vents. I go. That would be a dead end. That would have been most discourteous to my attempts. Don't look over here. Don't look over here. That's right. Go through that door. Go through there. Kind of want to keep it where I can... behind me. If it's behind me, I can progress forward. And that's what we need. I haven't heard it jump back up yet. Nope, still walking around. gone back that way. Ambulance bay was round here. Yes. That is good. That is where I need to go. Where is it? Bloody hell, you gonna make me do this now? No!
Damn, my access tuner isn't powerful enough.
Of course it's not.
Marlo got through. There has to be a way.
Is that my shuttle? Okay, where do I need to go? Oh, it's in here somewhere. Is that it there? That looks like it might be it. Yes, it is. I was very far away from that, but we will take it. Oh. Bastard. I think there's a vent. So I need to get rid of that. Screw it. S, F, Death Star, Tetris. Oh, turn around, Ripley.
Coordinates already in the system. Just punch the dash.
What about you?
Are we off? This seems a little bit anticlimactic. Not gonna lie. Why don't I just fly to the Torrens? Wait, do I get to fly this? That would be an this building is getting beat up. Say building. Clearly not a building. Oh, I don't get to fly. Creative Assembly, you let me down. You don't actually. Also, I'm trying to be a lot calmer because I've been, as I've said in the last episode, at a very weird place in this game. Where am I now?
Ricardo, can you hear me?
Out of range. Not sure how much longer the link's gonna last. How much longer the link's gonna last.
Apparently not. But we will save. Blue. And that will do it for this episode. So, thank you for taking the time out of the day to join me on this epic adventure. I will see you in the next video, but until then, why not massage the subscribe button, caress the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. But until then, Miles, out.